Okay, so I got my new mirrors. This is how they come. It came from Pretty Cycle Parts, OEM Cycles on eBay, but it's in Loudon, Tennessee. It's a huge motorcycle parts warehouse. This is what your new mirror looks like. The only difference is you have EMGO on the bottom, where you don't have that with the Honda mirror. You're going to take a 5mm hex wrench, and these have not been off in a decade or so. It's been a long time since these things have been off. It's almost about time that I pull the plastics off and give this thing a good cleaning. But these mirrors will fit on your Forth Gen VFR. They'll fit on an F3, an old Honda F3. So if you're putting it on if you're going to put this on an older VFR, you see this little like whatever that sticks out here, you'll need to grind those down so they fit on the bodywork correctly on the older VFRs and F3s, and I believe it's the same on the Super Hawk. The paint color is about the only thing that's different on the new ones, on the EMGO. I'm gonna say the paint color, the paint quality is going to be different. The color is going to be the same, black, but the quality itself, the OEM, Honda really did a good job with the OEM and putting the powder coating on. So I hope you're not too close up seeing what I'm doing. But I'm just putting that hex head bolt back into place. And yes, it does come that loose. And this is the right side, and I've already noticed that the paint is scuffed here. There's a scuff on the paint right there that I'm gonna have to get some black touch up and fix that. But overall, that I was not expecting. That's going to be a 6mm. So you're going to need a 5 and a 6mm to make this work for you. And we just flip it around. So compared to the OEM, I'm going to say it looks, there's the OEM there. Not that you can really tell too much. If you want, I'll pull the bike out. I'll try not to drop it this time. But the OEM, and I don't know if you can tell, this is more of a matte black, where that's more of a gloss black. And I'll go ahead and, while you're here with me, I'll go ahead and get this one out of the way as well. see all right? I hate being that guy doing the videos. The camera's always in the wrong location. This OEM mirror, I'll stick it out of the way somewhere and put it in storage. Hopefully I'll never need it, but you never know. You never know. My little rubber grommet came off on this side. The Honda one actually has some kind of logo right here also. And it doesn't say EMGO right there for sure. So if you want the part numbers, let me give those to you. The right side is going to be the right side part number is going to be 20-37341, and your left side is going to be 20-37342. And for some reason, the left side was about $5 more than the right side. So I'm guessing you guys, I know it's you, I'm guessing you guys are dropping your bikes when you're putting it on the kickstand. Because that's about the only thing that would explain why the left side costs more. This one gonna fight me. Take my 6. Oh, that is on there. Boy, oh boy. Those Chinese really put that on there tight. I'm not sure if you can still get the OEM mirrors from Honda. 25 years later, I doubt it. Oh my goodness. Wow. One side was wobbly and loose. The other side was as tight as can be. I had some Vaseline. And away we go. Just need to loosen up that other end. You know, for dropping my bike off the motorcycle lift, I got so lucky. I hope you guys understand that. It was just pure bonehead luck. mirrors. We'll adjust those before we get on the road next time. But that's it. That's it, gentlemen. And that one lady. Hi, Vanessa. So $70 later, almost $80. I have 2 brand new mirrors. I was thinking that the original mirror said objects in your rearview mirror may appear closer than they are, but that must have been a different bike. But yeah, you know, I must say it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I like it. Alright, give me that thumbs up. If you appreciate these videos, I'll keep them coming. Thank you. Bye-bye.